Morning students, welcome back to the physical education class. Continue unit number first, planning in sports. Today's first topic is consolation tournament. What is the consolation tournament? In a consolation tournament, one additional chance is given to the defeated team. In this tournament, the winner is declared from the defeated team. So, some organizer organize a consolation tournament giving an extra chance to the defeated team. Next topic, types of consolation tournament. There are two types of consolation tournament. First type consolation tournament and second type consolation tournament. First type consolation tournament. The team that are defeated in the first round. The opportunity to play in the types of tournament. Here each team get two opportunities to play the matches. Bye are given to those teams which did not get byes in the regular knockout tournament. For example, draw a fixture of 9 teams. Total number of teams 9. Total number of matches is equal to n minus 1 is equal to 8. Upper half teams 9 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Lower half teams 9 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 4. Total number of byes, highest power of 2 minus total number of teams. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Total number of rounds is equal to highest power, next highest power of 2 is equal to 4. Okay, first of all, divided by two parts. 5 teams upper half and 4 team lower half. Total number of byes 7. First bye is given to the last team of lower half. Second bye is given to the first team of upper half. Third bye is given to the first team of lower half. And fourth bye is given to last team of upper half. Next, same order. Y number 5, Y number 6 and Y number 7. First round, one match, upper half, only one match. Second round, two matches upper half and two matches lower half. Third round, one match upper half and one match lower half. Fourth round on winner. Upper half teams 5. First defeated team. First type consolation tournament. The team that are defeated in the first round get the opportunity to play. First round defeated team. First of all, collect the first round defeated team. Means 1, 4, 3, 3 and 5. Next, 7 and 8. First round defeated team and one other chance of the first round defeated team. Team number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 8. Same pattern. Draw a picture of 5 teams divided by 2 parts. N is equal to 5. Total number of matches n minus 1 is equal to 4. Upper half teams 5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3. Lower half is equal to n minus 1 by 2. 2 teams. Total number of byes. Next, highest power of 2 minus total number of teams. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. total number of rounds. Next, highest power of 2, 3. Draw the pictures. First of all, divided by two parts, upper half and lower half. Upper half teams 3 and lower half teams 2. Number of byes 3. First by is given to the last team of lower half. Second by is given to the first team of upper half. And number third by is given to the first team of lower half. First round, only one match is upper half. Second round, one match upper half and one match lower half. Third round, good winner. Second type consolation tournament. In this type of consolation tournament, the teams defeated in all the rounds are given an additional opportunity to take part in the competition. For example, draw a picture of 8 teams. Divided by two parts, upper half and lower half. First round, first match, winner team 1 and second match team 3 and 4. Winner 3. Lower half, 2 matches, team 5 and 6, winner 5 and 7 and 8, winner 7. Second round, one match, team 1 and 3, one winner and team number 3 loser. Lower half matches, team number 5 and 7, 5 winner. Third round, only one match, final round, team number 1 and 5, team number 1 winner. Consolation round. The teams number 2, 4, 6 are the loser of first round. 2, 4, 6, 8. First round, defeated team 2, 4, 6, 8. First match, team number 2 and 4, 2 winner, 6 and 8, 6 winner. 3 and 7 are the loser of the second round. 3 or 7. Second round. Team number 2 and 3, 3 winner. Team number 6 and 7, 7 winner. Third round. Team number 3 and 7, 7 winner, and team number 5 is the loser of third round. Fourth round, team number 7 and 5, 7 winner. But finally, team number 7 is winner. Next topic, students, league or round robin tournament. What is the league tournament? League tournament is also called round robin tournament. It is also called the burger system, named after the person who first proposed it. In such tournament, every team has to play with every other teams in respective wins or defeat or draw. This tournament is the best type of tournament because it provides the maximum of opportunities to show the best performance. Types of league tournament. Types of league tournament. There are two types of league tournament: single league tournament or double league tournament. First, single league tournament. In single league tournament, every team plays with every team's once, and the number of matches determine the help of following formulas. n minus 1 by 2. Total number of matches, where n total number of teams. Next, double league tournament. In double league tournament, every team plays with the other team twice. The number of matches is determined with the help of following formula. Total number of matches is equal to n minus 1, where n is equal to total number of teams. Next topic, students, advantage and disadvantage of league tournament. Advantage and disadvantage of league tournament. Advantage of league tournament: only strong yet deserving teams get victory in the tournament. Every team gets maximum opportunity to show its efficiency or performance. A team need not wait to win against the other team for playing a match. League tournament helps to provide good selection of players or teams. Good players develop interest and show high performance. The spectators also get good opportunity to watch the game of many days. Next, disadvantage of league tournament: it required more time, it cost more, it requires making more arrangement for sports officials and teams. Morale of most of the teams become low due their defeat again and again. Thank you. Have a nice day.